Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install apps from Play Store in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to install the apps from the Play Store, first of all open the Play Store app. Now here go to the search bar and search for the app you want to install. And then click on an app that you want to install and then click on install. Now it will take few minutes to install depending on your internet connection, and after installing you can use this app in your mobile. So that's how you can install apps from the Play Store in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.